Open up, open up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's shaughnaaac back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a little yellow look, so let's get started. So y'all already know I take my hydrating booster drops and put that all over my face, rub that in. Y'all already know the drill. Yep, I did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna prep my lids. You already know.
First impression, you OPN. Be close to friends. If you OPN, on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Now I'm gonna use my mattes palette and grab this shade. It's kind of like a beige, and use it as my transition color.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
Now I'm gonna go into the same palette and get this really bright yellow shade and just pack that all over the lid, like all over it.
Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
So I didn't put on any eyeliner, I just put on lashes. Now I'm gonna take the same color I used for my eyelids for under my eye. I don't know what I would call that, but yeah, I'll just pack that all underneath.
Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN.
All I really did for my face is put some concealer on my dark marks and blend that out.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer.
Okay, I don't know where this clip went, but I showed the rose gold highlighter from Milani, and that's what I'm putting on my face.
The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Open up.
So now I just put on some clear lip gloss, and that's the finished look.
Open up, open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
So I hope you guys loved this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.